Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you the top 5 tips to increase your Android performance, so watch this video till the end. So guys, the first tip, update your Android. If you haven't updated your Android to the latest firmware, then you should, because Google brings great improvements to each and new release of Android operating system. So update your Android if you haven't. So coming to the second tip, remove unwanted apps. Every app you install in your phone that takes some storage space and takes some background process. The more storage space occupied or the more background process running in your phone will make your phone slower. Don't install the apps that you hardly use. Just keep only the apps that are needed. So for better performance. So coming to the third tip is update your apps. You should regularly update apps that are present in your phone. Try to update your apps whenever they are available in your Google Play, because every update brings some fixes for your bugs or some issues, so that can solve your Android performance. And coming to the fourth tip, avoid live wallpapers. Phones from different manufacturers come with different live wallpapers, but you should know that the live wallpapers are badly made and need some more CPU cycles to run. This will drain your battery much faster. So don't use live wallpapers to increase your Android performance. Yes. So coming to the last but not least, fifth tip, root your Android. Rooting your Android gives you administrator level access to your phone, which means that you can uninstall apps that come with your phone, which increases your Android performance. So even this is helpful for your phone. But remember that for some factors, rooting your phone will avoid the warranty of that company. So be careful for that. So guys, this was a video. Hope you guys like it. If you guys like it, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel to get more content like this. So meet you in next one. I forgot to say, comment down below in comment section how did you like this video. Meet you in next one. Till then, peace off.